The power of defensive driving, a vital skill for road safety. Defensive driving, a technique that emphasizes anticipation and caution on the road, has proven to be an essential practice in reducing accidents and enhancing overall traffic safety. Amidst rising traffic fatalities worldwide, experts are increasingly advocating for comprehensive defensive driving education as a pivotal measure to save lives. Recent studies indicate that drivers who employ defensive driving strategies are significantly less likely to be involved in collisions, underscoring the critical impact of this approach. At its core, defensive driving involves being acutely aware of potential hazards and taking preemptive actions to avoid them. This includes maintaining a safe following distance, being vigilant at intersections, anticipating the actions of other drivers, and adapting to changing weather conditions. According to data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, nearly 90% of all motor vehicle crashes are attributable to human error. This statistic highlights the importance of defensive driving skills in mitigating risks posed by distracted or reckless drivers. Programs aimed at teaching defensive driving techniques have seen increased enrollment as more individuals recognize the benefits beyond just personal safety. Lower insurance premiums and fewer vehicle repairs are notable advantages as well. In light of these findings, policymakers are considering integrating mandatory defensive driving courses into drivers' education curriculums nationwide. By fostering a culture where proactive safety measures become second nature for all drivers, communities can look forward to safer highways and fewer tragic accidents.